Hello again, this is Delta Climber coming to you from Delta Climber Studios, Roblox, and SwordBurst 2. I am here at the 2023 Halloween event, and it is the second day of November, and it is about 9:30. We have a small Wendigo meat grinder going, and I just wanted to invite all the viewers who want some free legendaries. The Wendigo is dropping them. So come on to the meat grinder. This is on, you'd have to just search for my name. Oh, he's back. Small meat grinder going. The more people that showed up, the more legendaries will drop, and the easier it will be to AFK this beastie. So come on down to the Wendigo meat grinder. Until next time, have fun playing the game. Play it straight, though. Don't hack. Arrivederci.
This has been a Delta Climber Studio production.